Good morning, church. Pastor Mary Jo here. I would like to tell you about an exciting class that we are offering. It's called Bible 101 Fundamental Beliefs. And what we're going to be teaching in this class is the 16 fundamental truths of the Assembly of God. Now, this class is good for anybody, no matter where you are in your Christian journey. You will enjoy the class and benefit from it. We are offering this class from January through the end of March, so even our winter families can participate in it, and upon completion, you will get a nice certificate. So we're going to offer the class on Monday nights at 6:30 in Building C for those of you who would like to have a night class. That will be starting in January 8th. And for those of you who prefer a day class, the exact same class is going to be offered on Tuesday at 4 o'clock in Building C. So this class is totally free. There is no cost for any of the materials. We will provide all of those for you. And there is no homework in this class. There will be some suggested assignments, but nothing required. So I encourage you all to attend and to sign up in the lobby today. And I look forward to seeing you in class. God love you.